Welcome. Today we're diving into Adobe Sign, UAB's e-signature solution that helps campus manage and automate digital document signature workflows. Adobe Sign simplifies the way agreements are sent, signed, and processed, eliminating the hassle of manual paperwork and ensuring smooth digital transactions. From small teams to large departments, Adobe Sign accelerates document signature workflows, automating approvals, signatures, and data entry. Adobe Sign offers several advantages, including faster document processing, reducing errors in agreements, and ensuring seamless interactions for all parties. Want to maximize Adobe Sign's capabilities? UAB IT can help you explore advanced tools, automation features, and integrations that enhance efficiency. Ready to streamline your agreements? Let's get started.